What is going on, guys? It's Newman here, and in today's video we are going to go through how to register for the OKX wallet. And in case you didn't know, Venom just launched their new token on the OKX Exchange and also a few other exchanges including Bybit, Gate.io and a few others, right? And for those of you who may not know Venom is actually a huge project. It's a multi-blockchain network designed to improve scalability and also transaction speeds, and there's a whole lot, right? You can check out their site. I actually made a few videos on their testnet airdrops, right, when we were preparing for their airdrops, so I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check that. But then they launched not too long ago, and they required an OKX wallet for the final tax. And so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to register an OKX account, how to complete your KYC and then start trading on OKX. So with all that out of the way, let's now get straight into the video. So the first thing is to download the app, and then you should see the sign up page, right? So when you click on sign up, so there's an option to put in your email and password, or you can also sign up with Google or Apple below. So I'm just going to use my Google account. Just select one of my emails here and then move on. So you can also use an Apple email, and it should be a similar process for the sign up. So you'll be asked to complete this puzzle here just to confirm you're a human, and after that you select your country and region, right? So I'm just going to do that very quickly. Then you take the terms and condition agreement and then you click on next. So here there's a little warning that you should make sure that your address is the same as you have on your ID card, right? So make sure you provide the same address on both sides. So click on next, and then now we are already in the app, but then we have to complete verification before you can have a UID or even be able to trade in the apps. So you click on complete verification at the top, and now you're asked to select an ID type. So if you have a driver's license or a passport, you can also use that. I'm just going to use my national ID here. Click on next, and it will require access to your phone camera. You can choose to deny access, but just know that you won't be able to complete the verification. That's just by the way. You can always change the settings after you have done your verification. So I'll just click on OK, and then you'll be starting with the front of the card, right? So I'm just going to skip through for the purpose of the video. So once you are done with that, the next thing is to do a face ID scan to complete your KYC. So it's all submitted now and our documents are being reviewed. Usually on other platforms this takes 1 to 2 hours, sometimes more, but then I find it rather quick on this exchange in a matter of minutes. Also, while we wait, you can just take this time to subscribe to this channel. If this is your first time joining us, make sure to hit subscribe and also give this video a like if you found any use. Also remember to leave a comment in the comment section in case you have any problems or questions along the line. So now the next thing is to enter your address, your street address, your region, city, and then zip code. So I'm just going to do that quickly and get back to you guys. When you're done with that, you click on next, and then it will be reviewed as well. So that's it, guys. Our identity documents have been successfully approved, and we can now go on to start trading, right? So I just received an email as well confirming that. So this is what the OKX Exchange platform looks like. I personally find it very similar to other exchanges these days. Take the Trust Wallet, for example, or the MetaMask, or even Binance, right? They do have some similarities in their layout and their UI in general. So this won't be too difficult to use. They also have this section here for trades when you can do spot trading. But before we attempt to buy anything or take any trades, we will first have to deposit, right? So they have this earn, loan, or jumpstart, right? Simply showing that we have to deposit some funds before we can do any of the trading. So I'll leave my link also in the description, my affiliate link. You can use that to sign up for OKX so that we both share some rewards as well. But then generally, if you want to deposit into your account, you need to click on the wallet, and you can find this option here to create wallet. So I'll just click on create wallet. So keyless wallet, use exchange account to create keyless wallet. So I'll just click on create wallet again and then press OK. So it uses your Face ID and then your wallet is created from the account that we just spent time creating, right? So there's also an option to back up to your cloud, and then just like that, we are all set to begin trading, though our account is 00 for now. So this is how to create and verify your OKX wallet. It is also a very well-known and good trading platform, right? Have so many functionalities here, and like I said earlier, you can use it for your arbitrage trading. Arbitrage simply means buying and selling across different exchanges, right? And making profits through that as well. They also have this watch list functionality here where you see all these top coins, right? Or projects, right? So, and when you go to the rewards center, you will receive some rewards as a sign-up bonus, and also some other bonuses when you start depositing into your account. So thank you guys for watching. This has been a bit lengthy, but I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, and as always, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.